Airtel in association with Malta Guinness. Let me bring on true talent. Please welcome the Praise Puppets.
We started just like a joke. Let's go for the audition. And then before we knew it, we found ourselves in the semi-final.
If you're looking for unique, you're looking for the puppet people.
Like a flood, His mercy reigns, unending love, amazing grace. I'm acknowledging you for who you are, for what you've done.
Over to you, boys.
Let's rock.
You came and took my hand, and you gave me strength to stand. And yeah, now I know I can make it through another day.
Let's start with Kate.
I wanted more. I was left hanging. I was hooked to what they were doing, and I wanted more.
Yibo?
I like the approach with the television screen and the river effect. I like the storyline. But again, this is something very different on this show. It is something unique. It is something that has potentials, right? Whether Nigerians will vote for you is what we're hoping that they should, because you've given us something wonderful, although still hanging somewhere.
Dan, what is it?
I like the effort in what you're trying to do. Okay, it's a good creative effort, but it wasn't enough. I think your puppets got to work something out where they can actually do some kind of comedy thing to pull us into whatever it is you're doing, to grab us immediately and not just lip sync it out. I love the effect that you tried. That was good. You could have worked on that a little bit more and tidy that up, but you need a tighter script that's going to affect the audience, that's going to affect us, that's going to move Nigerians.
The Praise Puppets have made it this far on Nigeria's Got Talent, and they have shown dexterity and skill, as well as a fair amount of uniqueness. So vote for them and keep them here in the competition. And of course, bring them to 10 million naira by texting 241 to 33685. That's 241 to 33685. Can I hear it one more time for the Praise Puppets?